Wake up, get up, get up. Hustle, hustle, speed up, speed up. I stop my day, take time to pray. No time to get to my haters. Wait, did I just say haters? I woke up like this. Hello, konnichiwa, hola, boom, bang. Wagwan, my IRA fam, big up on yourself. Enough respect. I'm coming back to you with part 2. And I took up my braids, yeah. I took up my braids. I woke up like this, baby. Oh my gosh, I'm so loving it. Yeah, so again, I'm doing this video. Lift him up. No, sir. No! Hey, still a back. What a dog get it easy? What ya? Well, look here, dog. I pay my rent. I just talk about my bills. Then I pay my bills. I don't beg. I don't catch yourself. I pay my taxes. Other dog here, him thinks that him own the road here. Hey, dog, go and buy your business and I have to tell it. Hey, dog. Usually I say, kawaii, then cute, but you're not cute. Good dog. Right. See me, I make my video on the road and I come, even stop from way down the side now. And I bark. Like him I say, oh that, she not live around here, sir. Hey dog, nobody make me disrespect you.